We are reviewing this topzee air fryer today. We're actually in the process of cooking some steak, okay? And so you can see here along the top, we got power, temperature, time, pause, and go. And you can see I've got it to set to steak, which is gonna preset it for 390 degrees. It's about halfway, 2/3 done with the cooking process. So this is flashing to let me know, hey, I need to shake it. I'm not actually 2/3 of the way through the cooking process because I started it before I actually put the steak in, not realizing how this actually works because I've never really used an air fryer before, okay? But the air fryer does come with its owner's manual, gives some information on how to use it, okay? So there's your control panel up top, okay? Tells you how to use it, some of these presets, okay? Cooking hints, cleaning, etc. And then this also actually comes with a little recipe book, actually. Okay, so this will guide you through a couple recipes: pizza, shrimp, ribs, etc. And then you can always do QR code for new recipes, essentially. Okay. So it says that I'm almost done. So I put it in when there was 4 minutes left. Okay. So once it gets to the finish, I'm actually going to go ahead and turn my steaks, and then I'm going to go ahead and start it again, actually, and you'll be able to see this process right here. So give us another 38 seconds, and I'll show you the top of the unit. Okay. You do have a little window in here as well. I also have a temperature probe that's actually telling me how done my meat is, so that I know how done I like it. Because this is only going to go, you kind of have to guess. I actually have some digital probes that are actually going to tell me what my temperature is. So give me a second. See here, it's all lit up. Okay, it's saying steak. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this. It says it'll go for 10 minutes. So my probe is actually telling me that one of them is finished. It says telling me probe number 1 I need to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this, which I can. Open this up. I'm going to go ahead and see, this is my number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and let it rest. I'm going to put number 2 back in there. And go ahead and let that keep cooking, because this one is going to be medium, this one's medium rare. Okay, so now I'm going to let that rest for a little bit, because as you know, meat always continues to cook a little bit after it's done. But as you can see, it gives you a timer, so you can increase or decrease the time, you can increase or decrease the temperature. It has a little light inside, which I really like. This is a nice little unit for 2 to 4 people. There's only 2 of us, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let this one finish cooking up to the temperature it needs to go to. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts about the unit.
This is a topzee 5.5 quart air fryer. It is perfect for 2 people. The compartment or the tray here measures 8 by 8 and fits standard inserts. We use it almost every night. It is perfect for making just about anything in there. We have made salmon, chicken, fries, broccoli, French toast, egg bites, you name it. Everything comes out absolutely delicious. It's very easy to operate. It's got the power button, and then all the different programs you can choose from. You can set specific temperature, and you can set a specific timer. So here you can adjust the temperature, and right now it's on the preheat. If you go to a setting, this one, it's got some preset ones, just regular air fry rolls, fries, wings, veggies. But here you can manually adjust the time you want. Just push start. It'll come up automatically 2/3 through the program and ask for you to stir or flip what you got in the basket. Like I said, we've used it with the liners, and everything still comes out crispy and just absolutely perfect. Even chicken comes out juicy. Definitely recommend this air fryer. It works great, and the size is just right for cooking for 2 people.
Okay, let's take a look at this air fryer. It's a very standard air fryer design. This comes out. This goes in the bottom. We'll take this off before we try it. So let's plug it in and try it really quick. Okay, I just plugged it in. So we can select. Here, I put it on air fry. You can adjust the temperature. And to start it, we just hit the start button. There it goes. You can hear it's pretty quiet too, or I should say you can't hear it, but it is extremely quiet. Yeah, it's starting to get warm. So that's it. That's how it works.
So I was very happy to see that they make an air fryer now because I happen to need one. I like that they got the little window where you can see it cooking. So here is the air fryer. Pretty easy to do. I am doing some Brussels sprouts. You can see in there. Power button, everything pops up the options. I am air frying. What's it working?